respected viewers and dear listeners. Today I am honored to speak about the beauty of Young Scholar School and College. Young Scholar School and College is special because it follows the teachings of Islam. Here our teachers wear abayas and our sisters wear veils, showing modesty and respect. Modesty is not just about clothing, it's about having a pure heart and good manners. When we dress and behave modestly, we obey Allah and gain His blessing. Young Scholar School is a place of knowledge, kindness and faith where we learn, grow and help one another. Let us always be grateful for this beautiful environment because we feel safe, happy and proud in this environment. May Allah bless Young Scholar School and College and guide us to the right path and fill our hearts with Iman. Jazakallahu khairan.